welcome back after so long time. So we are so excited. New thing is going on in our houses. So we're building our boundary and go downs, and we did our potato harvest. Now it's time to uh, separating the seeds potato and the eating ones that with the livers.
So we're making a wall on the road side of our house.
Yes.
So there it's getting started. They did lots of digging today, and I think the digging is finished.
Yeah, digging is finished.
The digging is finished now from tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Our mistri will come. That's how much I know. I don't know anything. Tomorrow the mistri will come to do the building work, to start the building work. And we're making a wall along this side. I don't know if you can see this. And then also some place for keeping storage and for cars. Move, Mammy.